UCL's Enterprise Partnerships team brings together the central resources, the people, the models, the frameworks that we have for UCL's engagement with big businesses across a wide variety of industries that help to develop relationships that will further research aims, teaching aims, and other things that the university wants to engage with. We have a corporate partnerships unit within that takes care of our relationships with organisations, and an industrial partnerships team that does much the similar role for our life and medical science units.
I think UCL academics benefit from being able to work over a long period with a company, and it's very interesting for them to engage with a company, hear about real problems that are going on and how indeed these match up to their field of research. And from a company's perspective, it's a particularly effective way of streaming innovation in.
UCL has really developed a significant portfolio of projects that are translating and progressing towards the clinic. And we've seen some really major successes coming out of this, projects that have moved from early stage into clinical evaluation, and others which have gone on and formed major relationships with companies, developing projects and products towards the clinic and into patient use.
We approached corporate partnerships because we needed to get access to utility data, and we'd had discussions with the utilities and we hadn't managed to make the progress that we needed to. We obviously weren't either approaching the organisations correctly, or we weren't approaching the right people in the organisation. And corporate partnerships gave us some advice about how to do that and did the right introductions for us. We now have a very strong strategic relationship with EDF. They fund studentships. We've been working jointly on research projects with them, which they've part-funded along with the government, and we're looking at a range of different opportunities to carry on that relationship and expand it.
So our area of research is aimed at identifying the fundamental mechanisms leading to lung inflammation, fibrosis in the context of respiratory disease. The Industrial Partnership Group is really about building the correct multidisciplinary team that you need in order to take the discovery and turn that into a medicine. They can provide expertise in medicinal chemistry, access to venture capitalists who might be interested in the project. They can identify the correct partnership groups to work with, and they can turn a project from a basic science project into a program of milestone-driven deliverables that will eventually develop into a healthcare innovation.